Hello, good morning.
Hi, ma'am, sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Rachel Bocobo, 29 years old, residing at Block 80, Lot 12, 23 Street, Villamor Air Base, Pasay City.
Okay, are you single, married?
Yes, ma'am.
Single?
Ma'am.
Okay, so how many child do you have?
One, ma'am.
And is it a boy or a girl?
Girl, ma'am.
How old is she?
8 years old.
Okay, so do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
Singapore.
So how many are them in the family?
5, ma'am.
And how long did you stay in that employer?
3 years, ma'am.
So you finished your contract with them.
Yes, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Have, ma'am.
And who is your employer?
Estrelita Galera, ma'am.
How many are them in the family?
2 years, ma'am.
How many are them in the family?
5, ma'am.
And how long did you stay in that employer?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your main duties in your previous employer?
Housework, ma'am. Washing, ironing, car wash, everything, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of high of salary, ma'am.
Okay, so do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Like steamed fish, fried vegetables, like that, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have a long patience?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what can you teach to your employer's children?
So I can teach good manners and read and write, ma'am.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
I'm looking for your nice and understand me, ma'am.
Okay, so are you afraid of dogs and cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how can you control your homesick? How can you control your homesick?
I do my hard working, ma'am.
Okay, so what can you say about yourself?
I'm a simple, honest ma'am and loyal.
Okay, can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employers so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I hope you choose me as your helper. I promise I'm honest and loyal.
Okay, is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.